The reason poor people are poor is they think if they get something for cheap, they're smart, but they're really poor. My poor dad, smart guy and all that, he wanted everything that was inexpensive rather than something that was valuable. Not the price, but what is the long-term value of what you're buying. Problem is how you think. So ladies and gentlemen, it's called mindfulness. Be mindful. The question is, are you thinking like a rich person, a poor person?
I wasn't feeling too well, so I got all of these drugs. Now, you see, no matter how much they say the drugs cost, I paid for it. Whatsoever you value, you're not going to look at the price you have to pay. Whenever you say you want to be successful, so you don't look at the price you pay to become wealthy. You just go ahead and take all the sacrifices to make and pay the price, right? Now, there's a business model called affiliate marketing, and in this business model, all you have to do is just refer products to people and get a commission for doing that. And I have a whole school that's dedicated to teach you the psychology behind selling, because it's not just about getting products, it's about knowing how to present this product to people to buy it from you. It's about persuading these people to buy it from you. So that is something you want to learn. I recommend you join the G4G affiliate marketing program. So you can click the link around this video.